Okay, this is Andy and Claudia. Flags up.
Ready when you are.
2, 2,
right there
2.
in the back. He's going in the middle. Let him come out on the other side. There you go. Right up there, a little closer. Get up there a little closer. Get up there a little closer. There you go. Right to his head. Wait for him to come out. Right to his butt now. Right to his butt. Right to his butt. There you go. Stay with him. Easy. Follow center. There you go. Now get to his head. Get to his head.
Come on, guys. You can coach these guys. These are all pretty much 1s and 2s. You got a couple of 3 out. For the majority, it's 1s and 2s. Coach them.
Push him.
Push him. Get to his
Push
head.
him.
There you go.
Right.
There you go. Go give me a 3. Go give me a 3. I don't see him. Got to be in the middle. Right to his butt. Right to his butt. Right to his butt. Yeah, 4. Yeah. Get out of here. Center, Claudia. Yeah. There you go. Right up, girlfriend. Right at the wall. There you go. Turn in the 3. There you go. Yeah.
Time.
Yeah.
Ride him hard.
Good job.
At a 37-89.
I get way too excited with these kids.
Okay.